Hey everyone, Feel Good Friday, right? And I have some feel good news for you. It's been about a year since we installed this reduced conflict U-turn or RCUT here at the intersection of State Route 540 and State Route 296 in Jefferson County. And since we've done that, the number of angle crashes here has been zero, not a single one. 2023, there were 7 angle crashes at this intersection, and then in the first half of 2024, 5 angle crashes. Then we installed the RCUT, and the rest of 2024, 0. So far in 2025, 0 angle crashes. Of course, like always, I ask you to do the right things behind the wheel. We've had to install all these delineators down the median to deter drivers from crossing over here. Why do this? You just have to travel a few hundred feet more down to our paved section where you can make a safe and legal U-turn. Of course, we know the current configuration of State Route 296 isn't too efficient. That's one of the reasons why we have a roundabout proposed as the long-term solution for this intersection. A roundabout wouldn't just improve traffic flow, it would also make this intersection safer, even safer than what we have here right now. Just wanted to share this news with you guys. Feel Good Friday, everyone. Have a good weekend and drive safely.